Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the steering wheel lock guys on Mercedes GLC 3rd generation. If you want to see where the steering wheel lock fuses, relays are located, please guys do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics. If you have problem with the lock, steering wheel cannot unlock because it could be quite simple fix. We'll talk about that. Watch the video, then if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools guys, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Check it out if you need anything. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Even before we start guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6-7 different fuse boxes guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The steering wheel lock fuses, relays, where you can expect to find them, come guys to show you on that generation Mercedes GLC, 3rd generation Mercedes GLC. What we guys need to do for that specifically, we need to open the driver door, and on the side of the dash right here you have one cover guys. Okay, you can clearly see it right here. You see this cover? You can pry it open, and behind that cover you're going to find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. So here guys, we need to check, okay, 2 fuses, but there could be 2 more that you need to check. We'll talk about that now. Now, if you come in that fuse box, the numbers go like that: 200, 201, 2, 3. 203 is the first fuse that we need to check, that 20 amp fuse. That's very important fuse, guys. 203 and 205. Okay, those are for the steering wheel lock. Now, guys, if you still have problems with it, okay, with the steering wheel lock, we'll recommend to check 2 more fuses. We're talking about steering column module and ignition switch fuses as well, because it could be because of a bad ignition switch that does not unlock your steering wheel. But those are the main fuses that you need to check for the steering wheel lock. You don't have relays. The relay function is controlled practically, okay, by the computer, so you have only these 2 fuses. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have 2 different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below, where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.